Hi, it's Alex here. Welcome to this training video from Anglian Dental. Today we'll be talking about the single surgery vacuum system from Durr Dental, which is the VSA300. So in this video, I'll be talking you through how to use the MD555 along with the Aura Cup for the weekly cleaning routine for the Durr system. So much like the Oratol, same procedure. Fill the Aura Cup with 2 litres of warm water. Ideally hand washing temperature. If you can comfortably run your hands under the water, that's the perfect temperature. If it's steaming, it's too hot and it could eventually affect the tubings in the treatment centre and on the vacuum system. So we're going to lay the Aura Cup on its longest face, connect the cannulas onto the Aura Cup and just aspirate down the 2 litres of water till the jug's empty. Once that's complete, remove the cannulas and you're ready to mix the solution. So again, 2 litres of warm water into the Aura Cup, and this is just a test bottle. Your 555 cleaner will be supplied in a 2.5 container like this, and the lid of the container acts as a dosing cap. As you can see in there, I've coloured in the fill line. There is a moulded line on here, but just to make it clear for the video, I've coloured it in. So the dilution rate is 5 capfuls up to the line of MD555 to 2 litres of water. So 2 litres of water, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capfuls. Replace the lid, obviously put this lid back on the bottle of the cleaner. Then this time, when you're aspirating the diluted cleaner, the Aura Cup wants to be sitting on the bottom face. Aspirate down the 1 litre, it will only suck the solution down to the 1 litre mark. Once that's completed, remove the cannulas, remove the lid of the Aura Cup, and then pour the remaining solution down the spittoon bowl if you have one. Then this cleaner needs a 1 hour dwell time twice a week, or 30 minutes to 120 minutes, but ideally 1 hour is the perfect time. So over your lunch break, and then when you come back from lunch break or when the dwell time's complete, fill the Aura Cup 2 litres of warm water again, connect the cannulas, aspirate down the whole 2 litres down the suction line, and then that's the procedure completed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any further technical questions, please reach out to one of our team.